One, two, aki!
Welcome to Treehouse Valentine. Ta-da! Bed. There's the bathroom toilet. Then wooden bathtub. Second bed. King size bed with a view. Tayan! Laya sapatos, Dab! Busy si Mama.
Sigluto kare-kare.
Unsa ka ma?
Pagluto kong kare-kare.
Ingkong. Hi, de. Living area with karaoke. Strixie. We'll go down to the river where Tayan and Hans are. Hi! Lalalala. Ana! Hi!
Ready, ready, one, two, go, Swim, swim, swim. Bug now. Lamos. Oh. Oh. Someone is very excited na, excited.
Hold, mama.
Oh, go, go, Mama, Tayan.
Hold, mama.
Oh.
Ari de, ma. Ari de tayo.
Ari de, Tayan, de. Aha. Go, Tayan, jump.
Oh, daddy.
Ah. Jump, Mama. One.
Wah! Oh, kasi hindi na mo jump pa sunod. Huwag now.
Huwag na, oy, wala na.
Wala na.
Okay na.
Oh, Donkey, next,
Oh,
next.
sige. Oh, atas ka ba? Oh, jump na. Jump na. 1, 2. Ano, dali na.
Paswing lang kay Babaw.
Nagkatungtong ako sa bato.
Yay! Oh, nay nang laba. Nata din hey, pwede ka manglaba.
Walong palo.
Asa man si Tayan? Kisawa na. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Hi! Ah, bath. Lululos. Oh no! Oh no! Ay, im na naman yung tubig. Hot? Yay! Very comfortable. Hi, Tayan! It's like a bangka boat slash coffee. But really, ano siya, relaxing. And yes! Feels different when it's wood ba? Very nice. Good evening! It's around 8 o'clock here. We just finished dinner at Treehouse de Valentine. It's still very amazing place, no? So actually, you could have your night swimming, but for superstitious purposes, chill muna. We'll enjoy the night together here. So, this is the place. anti-mosquito kulambo for the win. So sina mama and daddy are having video okay. Let's go inside. Busy ang mga people. This is the bed for later. So cute. Our dining hall, kitchen, how it looks like at night. Agi Tayan is asleep upstairs. So we're happy to enjoy the night in adult peace. Op, busy. So photoshoot.
Photoshoot kayo.
A few minutes later.
Sing. Na-distract sa turtles. Yan, good morning everyone.
Good morning. Good morning. Thank you for the breakfast. And good morning. Good morning.
Tayan, say good morning. So we're having our breakfast. Ano sa'yo nasa breakfast?
Prado.
Champurado.
Danggit.
Danggit.
Puto. Puto naman. And pancake. Ano yung manggang buto?
Pancake. Toasted. And Tayan!
Crispy pancake.
Tayan. Oh, ma'am, muma, picture mo. 100 man?
Thank you.
Say hi. Masa masulti niyo so far Dab sa experience here?
Indot ka ay. Kanang rewarding sa self. Nga, bitin lang ang one night. Dudo. Ay, dudo. Bitin, kuwang ra ang one night.
One of the things I really like about the place is this tree where they built the tree house around. So in a way, the people, tayo ang nag-a-adjust. So we are the ones adjusting. And here is Tayan! Ouch!
Ay. You okay?
Ito na?
Go siya din. Sakit. Up. Oh no!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, river.
So we are trekking out in a while. We will surely miss the place. It's truly an experience, important and timing na experience to get energized and recharged with nature. One big takeaway for me personally and as well as the whole family, it's common for us to go on an overnight and you'd really experience na being with this environment, with nature, with real flowing waters and birds, and it's a totally different experience compared to going to the hotel or going on a staycation on a swimming pool. So it's being in an experience with nature would always leave you, there's always something for you to take back home compared to going in those mga hotels like that, resorts. So it's really a must once in a while, no? It's okay to go to mga resorts and hotels, but it's always a good reminder for us to always make it a point to have more nature related travels. Okay.
Video pa. Okay.
Sige, straight.
Taro ko yung asab-usad. Kami yung driver nagpahuway man.
Oh, left. Oh. Dili.
Dili. Anak.
Balik, boy. Oh.
Bebe si padung tadi ato dong.
Oh.
Una kanal ra ba?
Okay, liko diri.
Tayan.
Makanal ta. Okay. Bahaw ka ba si Bawi?
Honong.
Okay.
Okay. Bahaga na subida.
Alright.
Kabilig sa tudogin nimo.
Okay.
Ada na dogdo na